Hello. As the season is winding up, we're approaching Thanksgiving, so I thought I will make a video on giving thanks. You know, the garden is winding down, and there's still a lot going on, and we're still very busy preparing for the winter crops here in California. But I thought it's good to take a moment and reflect on the season that is passing right now. The year 2020, it was a weird year with COVID, with lots of fires, with smoke. It's like Armageddon year to me. It was very stressful. And yet, you know, a lot of people turn to earth and to gardening as the result of that stress, as the result of being bound to their homes. I hope even those who are in little apartment buildings, they have a plant that was their companion during these hard times, the times of isolation. I think extreme need to be in the presence of a live being, and a plant counts like a live being, quiet, growing, always positive, always moving forward. I hope your garden gave you a lot of joy this year. I hope you took a lot of time to be in the presence of the plants growing, blooming, bees buzzing, fruit starting, growing, ripening on your plants. And even there were failures, even if you're a beginner and didn't know what you're doing, and there was like lots of bugs. This year we had such a mite problem. It just like devoured lots of our plants, and it's very sad to see plants die after you put so much care on it, after you invested not just money into the soil and fertilizer, your labor into planting, but also it's an emotional investment. We get attached to our plants. It's a lot of love that's put into growing garden. I hope you got to experience that love in your heart and in your dirty hands, planting, caring for the garden, the satisfaction of the garden paying you back with abundance. And again, even if you failed, you can reflect on those happy moments that you hang out in the garden with your plants, on earth, touching the leaves, listening to the bees, watching the birds and butterflies, watching your plants grow. There's a lot to be thankful for. You know, even if the harvest was not abundant and nothing to brag about to your neighbors and friends and post pictures on Facebook of your abundance. Maybe it was one tomato or one strawberry. I call it homeopathic medicine, a minuscule amount of alive food that comes from earth, that comes from your efforts to grow it. It's amazing, and it does amazing things to our mental health and physical health, of course. So I wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you're getting addicted, you are addicted, or you are getting addicted to gardening. Oops, fly. As I am, it's a good addiction. And we continue, we persevere, and we make gardens all around us and our life as beautiful as we can. Good luck with that.